So Prem already here. I forgot to shoot an intro, so here I'm just showing you the parts left after we got rained out by Mother Nature. God dang it. Anyway, so this is the outside timing chain cover. There's the timing chain. There's my shoe. Engine mount, timing chain tensioner, some tools left, and there's the damper. So hopefully if the rain does stop, probably not today. I don't know, it's supposed to rain's in the forecast, so I don't know when I'll get to it, but this is going to be part one of hopefully just 2 parts. So yeah, this is primed already, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, by some sort of miracle, leave a like, comment down below. And if you dislike this video, tell me why you hate it, or why you didn't like it, I guess. But anyway, I'm doing all the chat. This is primed already, I'm out. Rock and roll. Yeah. So this is my 1997 Pontiac Grand Am, and as you can see, if you've seen the other video, there's my cover off, and there's the intake cam tower, there's the exhaust, down there is the water pump, and there's the crankshaft, and there's the cylinder head, and that's the block, the intake, and all that good stuff. So today I'm gonna finally be putting the timing cover back on, and with my handy dandy silicone sealant, we're gonna see if it we're gonna see if it stops leaking, so I can finally drive this piece of shit. Anyway, if you want to see how the car looks, yeah, it's purple. Yeah, I know. It's purple. Who cares? Can't afford any other vehicles. So, yeah. There's my redneck cold air intake that should go through here, but I don't know how to do that, and I'm bad. So, anyway, I'll get the cover back on and see what goes on. Timing cover in. Yay! I got the bolts in for the cam and exhaust, intake and exhaust. They're in. Can't find this one up here for the intake, but that holds the cover on. The nuts down that go into the water pump, I got one there. It's really hard for me to, there you go, you see the one there. I gotta tighten them up with a 13mm ratchet wrench. You can see my handy dandy sealant, silicone sealant. So alright, I would do this all in one take, but I don't have a tripod, so and then I need 2 hands to put the stuff on, obviously, so I'm just going to be putting it in pieces, step by step, bit by bit. So I'll be back in a bit. Apologize for the train noise, but here, as you can see, I got the cam gears installed. It is top dead center. The only thing now, I got the nuts in the back here. They are fastened in. It's the only one you can really see. They're tight, torqued, 19 foot-pounds. I pretty much just went, till they stopped turning, smart. I didn't bear claw it. The cam gears are installed. I need to put in 2 8mm bolts that go in to here, and that'll keep the cam from moving. because this is a interference engine, and you misalign it, and goodbye engine. So anyway, I'll be back to put the timing chain on. Tensioner goes there with the shoe, and put the guides in, and yeah. So I'm piecing this together. I can't cam it, so alright, and I'll be back in a little bit. Let's say we're gonna call it quits for today. We got a big batch of showers coming from the west, and it's been sprinkling here. So I shut the hood, got the timing cover on, all the nuts tight that need to be on. So now next is to put the timing chain on, and tensioner and stuff, and see if it leaks. So God damn Mother Nature. Thanks. So this is Brian the Ready, and now see you guys for part 2. Hey.